We're going to talk about two-way tables in section 7.4. This will be example 1. We're going to start out with some definitions. First of all, what is a two-way table? It's a frequency table that displays data collected from one source that belongs to two different categories. So if you look at this data here, the categories are mobile access and class. All right. And with classes, we've got freshman and sophomore, mobile access, either people do have it or they do not. And then these are joint frequencies, which is just each entry in a two-way table. So it's important to understand what the joint frequencies stand for. So for example, this 22 represents the number of freshmen that do not have mobile access. The last thing we're going to define are marginal frequencies, the sum of the rows and columns in a two-way table. What you're going to see on our first example is that we are going to take the sum of these rows and write the answers in the margin. Okay, so that'll help you remember which ones are marginal. Those are the ones that are around the margins of the table. So if we look here, find and interpret the marginal frequencies for the two-way table below. So we're going to start out here. I'm actually going to create one more row and column on our table so that we can enter all of these marginal frequencies. So let me just make sure I give myself enough reason. So I'm going to make this big margin around the table like so, and some of my writing will be in the way here, but we're going to extend the rows and columns. So if we add 55 and 63, that would give us 118. Adding 22 and 12, that'll give us 34. 55 and 22 gives us 77. 63 and 12 gives us 75. Now, if you add these two or these two, either way, you should get the same number, which is 152. Okay? So, also understand what these words mean. There were 77 total freshmen and 75 total sophomores. And 152 students altogether. So that's the total number of students that were surveyed. There are 118 that have mobile access, and then there are 34, there are 34 that do not have mobile access, so no mobile access. So don't just be able to find those numbers, it's relatively easy, but be able to interpret the meaning of those numbers. And that is it for example 1.